I wanted to share with you UbeCube. I wanted to share these with you because I think that these are going to be so useful and they're kind of a game changer in the organizing world right now. Some of the features that I love about the UbeCube. For one, they are collapsible, but when they are not collapsed, they're also extremely strong. You can sit on these. They sell seats, so you can bring them for game day or something. They have a lifetime warranty, but my favorite feature is how adjustable and customizable they are. You can customize the storage within these cubes. You can add shelves to them. You can add interlocking shelves, ones that you can hold different bins in. These are just the two colors that I chose, but they have various colors of storage bins that slide in and out of the system. They have some with handles, acrylic fronts that you can change out. They have the basic fronts, and here, this is one of their shelf rails. You can move it around into whatever room is useful for you. If it could be a kitchen pantry, it can be a garage storage. It's just so many great ways that you can use it and change it around as your needs change. So the hobby pack is one of their packs of accessories, and it has a couple of different things that you can just snap into the outside. So I've set some of these up here. The cup holder. So that's one of the accessories within the hobby pack is the cup holder. The nice thing is it's not just to have to hold cups if you're using it maybe in a bathroom for bathroom storage. It could hold your hair dryer. It could hold various craft tools. So it can be a cup holder and so much more. Another one of the unique accessories within the hobby pack, this is, they call it a tool, I believe a tool holder or a tablet rest. And when you want to click these in, basically you stick it in the hole and you just twist. So stick it in, twist, and it locks right in. Super easy, nice and strong. And this one, if you wanted to, you could hang canvas bags, your reusable bags, your purse, whatever you want from it. Or it's got these little grooves so you can put your tablet, like your iPad or something there. And if you're using this in the kitchen as a pantry and extra storage, then you can have your tablet with your recipe on it right there so you could read it. It's great for caregivers as well. All of that extra stuff that you need as a caregiver can be in one area near where the person who you're taking care of is. So all of those bed pads and things like that. And it can move around as your life changes. So another couple of accessories that are included in the hobby pack, there's a hook, but you could also set it up like a command center. You can have your purse on the hook, and they have these, there's like screwdriver and plier holders. I think is what they call them, but they can hold just about anything. And like I've got the sunglasses and keys. So those are some of the features that I absolutely love about the UbeCube. Check out the video link in the description or the link near this video and see what else UbeCube has to offer.